Today I'm going to share how you can make more money with affiliate marketing. Now in this video, what I'll do is I'll show you exactly how you can make more money with affiliate marketing. I'll show you what you need to do. I'll show you some different websites that you can use, and I'll also share a different website where you can go ahead and get lots of free content that you can use when you're basically doing affiliate marketing promotions and reviews and other bits and bobs. But in terms of affiliate marketing, it is one of the best ways to make money online, and the reason being is it's available worldwide. It's absolutely free to get started with. You do not need any skills or experience, and it's just a really awesome method to start earning some extra money online. Now make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll show you exactly how you can go ahead and 10x your earnings with this method. I'll show you how you can fast track everything, and then I'll also share with you how you can get access to some very high converting affiliate bonuses. Now let me go ahead and just show you that what I'm going to teach you is actually proof. Let me go and show you some proof, and I'll log into one of my affiliate accounts just to basically show you what I'm going to show you in this video. It does work, and I know what I'm talking about because I'm doing this myself. So let me jump over here into, so this is Warrior Plus. You can see this is indeed my account. I can log in, log out. Let me just go on here. Let's go over to affiliates. And go on affiliates. So you can see today, so far today I'm on $122. Yesterday I earned $254. And if I scroll down here, you can see this is my affiliate daily stats. So this is for the last 1, 2, 3. This is for the last 5 days. And as you can see here, earnings, I've earned $959 in affiliate commission. So what I'm going to share with you in this video, it works. I'm doing this in my online business, and I'll just basically share with you how you can go ahead and make more money with affiliate marketing, because when I first started out, I wasn't doing what I'm going to share with you in this video. So by the end of the video, you'll know exactly what you need to do, where you need to go, and basically how to go ahead and start earning more money with affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and jump into this. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to look at how you can make more money with affiliate marketing, and not only how you can earn more money, but I'm also going to show you exactly how you can increase your conversions, and I'll also share some examples of this with you. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, what happens is about 90% of the time, people will go ahead, they'll find a product that they want to promote, and then all they will do is they will send traffic over to that product, and then they wonder why it doesn't convert and they don't earn more money from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you some examples of this. I'll also show you some of my earnings and some of my conversions of products that I recommend, and basically I'll just show you what you can do to increase your earnings with affiliate marketing. So let's go over here and jump onto Google. So I've come onto Google and I've just typed in here red tea detox review. Now I know this product here is quite popular over on ClickBank. So I've just typed this into Google. I'm going to come down here and look at some of these different articles on here. So I'm going to click on a couple of these on here and we'll go and look at them. So let's click on these and go through. So the first one is this one here. So this is, what's this? Small.com. So this was this one here, small.com, this one here. The red tea detox review. Love it. Let's go and have a look at this review here. So people are going on Google, they're typing in a product name. So they're already in a position where they're looking to start spending money really and buy this product because of typing in the word review. So that is like a buyer intent word. So I'm going to come down here. So the red tea detox review, love it. Let's scroll down here. So what is it? Talks about what it is, what you get. Come down here, click here to get it. More information, come here. Click here to get this off. So let's go and have a look at this. So let's see where this sends us. So I'm going to click on here. And lo and behold, it is just sent over to the sales page, instantly onto the sales page. So what will happen here is, because it takes people a couple of times to go ahead and, it takes people a while to go ahead and not only consume the information, but they're trying to get the best value for money. So in this example here, this red detox, I would not go ahead and purchase this because I'm like most people, I want as much value for nothing. Well, not for nothing, but I want to get the best bang for my buck. And in this example here, they're doing two things wrong, and this is where lots of people go wrong with this. They're literally doing a blog article and they're just sending them over to the product. They're not basically showing the customer, what's in it for them. They're not showing enough examples of this on here, and they're also not including bonuses, because all of this here you're going to go ahead and get from just purchasing the product simply. So all they're doing here is they've done a crappy article basically, and then they're linking directly over to the sales page. And then using this method, so many people will just simply do what I'm going to do here and click off it. They're not interested in that, because what you need to do is you need to warm up your audience, and you also need to show them the benefits of what they're going to actually get if they go and purchase this product. And this works whether it is making money online, it works whether it's weight loss, cooking, whatever. It works in any niche. So there's two parts to this. The first part is you never directly link to the products that you're promoting, and the second part is you go ahead and not only do you share the benefit of this with them, but you also give them more money. So if this product here would say, let's say $20, you would go ahead and put together a bonus package which is worth $100, $200. So it becomes a complete no-brainer for this person, because they're going to go ahead and purchase this product for $20. They're then going to get over $100, $200 worth of products additionally, and they're also going to know exactly by the time they've gone through this exactly what it is and how it works. And let me give you a couple of examples of this. So this here is a recent campaign that I went ahead and run on Warrior Plus. Now look at my conversions here, 41.9%. I think you'll agree that's pretty good conversion. Well, it's excellent conversions really. And how do I do this? Well, whenever I'm doing a review, whether that is a YouTube video, whether that is a blog article, whether that is on any of my niche sites, I always do this in a really simple way, and I'll walk you through the process. So the first part of the process is, instead of sending them directly over to the product, you're going to create a bridge page, and a really simple example of that is this one here. So this here was for a product which I was promoting, and it was called Reach Treat, and basically this product here, it's an Instagram software tool, so it helps people to automate their Instagram. So let me go ahead and show you this. So I did a video on YouTube. This was the video on YouTube. This wasn't even a review video. This was just how to make money on Instagram. So I went ahead, did this video, and then if people clicked on the link below, instead of going directly over to the actual product, they would come over to this page first. So if I scroll down here, you can see, let's go through here. So we've got what the product is, the benefits of this. So all of these things here are what people are looking for on Instagram. All of this here takes away the really slow process of going on Instagram, liking people, following, and everything. So this is a benefit to the people who are looking to purchase this product. This is basically saying it's not only going to improve your Instagram stats and your following, but basically you can run all of this on autopilot. If I come down here, we've got more benefits on here, and then we'll come down here, look, software consists of 3 speeds. It's nothing difficult on here, and then more benefits. Okay, so so far we've spoken about the benefits of the product, so they know exactly what they're going to get. This is going to go ahead and speed up their Instagram profile. This is going to help them get more likes, more followers very quickly, and it's all automated. So they set this up once, they don't need to do it, so it's all benefits. The next part of this is what is in it for me. So you can see on here, to make this even better for you, I've gone ahead and put together some incredible bonuses for you. But scroll down here, this is bonus number 1, this is bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4, and then I've got a demo video on here. So in terms of this here, so they're getting this here, they're getting a $97 product, they're getting this course here, they're getting another course here at $97, they're getting a course here at $37. So in this example here, they're nearly getting $400 worth of bonuses plus the original products which they were going to purchase for $28. So you can see straight away, this is a reason why you create these bridge pages, because you're going to show them and share with them the benefits of this, and then you're also going to go ahead and give them bonuses. And bonuses and benefits are what will help increase, not only increase your conversions, but increase how much money you can make. Now, in terms of doing this, if you do not have a website and you want to go down a free route, well, you can do this very simply. You can go over to blogger.com, you can go to wix.com, you can go to WordPress, and you can create a free website basically, and then what you'll do is you will send people over to these pages here. Now you can either send them direct to pages like this, or you can do a blog article, but the process will still be the same. You will be talking about the benefits, the reason why they should go ahead and purchase with you, because you're going to go for absolutely everything that it's going to do, but then you're also going to give them an incentive to purchase with your link. And you do that with bonuses. Now when it comes to bonuses, this is where many people would panic again, but don't panic, because what I'm going to share with you now is I'm going to go and show you 2 different websites that you can use where you can go ahead and get lots of bonuses that you can basically go ahead and give away to people if they were to purchase the products via your link. So the first website is this one here. Let me refresh this. It's called plrdaily.com. Now on this website here, you will find lots of different products that you can go ahead and give away for free if people was to purchase from you. You can see, would you sod off? Sorry, let me get rid of this guy here. So you can see on here, you've got PLR Daily, you've got the PLR Store, you've got private label rights, you've got resale rights, you've got master resale rights as well. Now you can basically come through here and you can just start scrolling through and look at all of these. They're all zero. As you can see, every one of these, well, not every one of them, some of them do cost, but lots of these on here, they're absolutely free. You can see over on the right hand side, products, 300 of the best power headlines ever written, zero. Video list builder, zero. You'll find so many products on here that you can use to go ahead and use in your affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, like I said, this works in any niche. Any niche that you're in, you can go ahead and basically stack up these bonuses to make it more simple and easier and quicker for people to purchase with you, because they're going to get the benefits, they're going to get all of your bonuses. So this is one website that you can go ahead and use. It's called plrdaily.com. There's another one that you can use, which is this one here, and it's called bestplrproducts.com. And again, along the top, you've got products, ebooks, videos, PLR articles, graphics, templates, software, and memberships. So you can just come here and go through all the different products on here and have a look to see if any of them would complement the products that you're giving it away. Now, when it comes to the bonuses that you want to be including for an affiliate promotion, I see so many people do this wrong. What they will do is, so like in this example here, this Instagram one, well, I saw people basically promoting this reach tree, and what they were doing was they was randomly putting in bonuses which were not relevant to the products which you're promoting. So when you are putting together a bonus package, spend the time to find products which will complement the original product. So this is an Instagram software. So I went ahead and found different Instagram products and bonuses which would work well with this. So you can see here, this product here was a full course for Instagram. So this here actually goes ahead and it will help people make more money and get more followers on Instagram. The next one here, this was called 7-Figure Ecom, and this basically showed you how you could set up your own ecom business using Instagram. So they're relevant to the original products which I was promoting. The next one was a case study about how you could go ahead and get 10,000 followers quickly, so it's related. And then we've also got Instagram marketing made simple. So all of these bonuses, they're all relevant to the actual product. So, and that's something you need to do. You need to make sure that your bonuses are relevant to the actual product you're promoting. Don't just randomly put on, 100 PLR products, get this, get that, everything, because it won't make sense. It all needs to be exactly on point to the products that you're promoting. So that there is a couple of different websites that you can go ahead and use. Now I go ahead and I use a site called Profit Maximizers, and it is awesome. Now let me go ahead and jump into that, and I'll show you exactly how it looks and what you can get with the bonuses over on that website. Okay, so this is one place where I go ahead and get my bonuses from. This is called Profit Maximizers. Now just go ahead and have a look at this. On the left hand side, you have got all of these different products basically that you can go ahead and give away as bonuses, and if you click on any of these, you can simply go in and have a look at them. So look, you just click on here. Let's click on this one, the lost code, right? So you get a giveaway link, then you also get the bonus graphic. So if I click on here, bonus graphic, it opens up into a new download basically. It opens up in a new tab. So there is the image that you can use, and you can market the image if you wanted to go ahead and include that. You've also then got here giveaway link. So you click on the giveaway link, it will walk you through where people can go ahead and create their account. So what I love about this product is not only can you get access to all of these bonuses, you can actually get access to all of these courses in here as well. So on here you can see there's honestly I think there's about 80 different products in here where you can go through and have a look at these. So it's two parts. There's all these ones here. Click on here, part 2. Look at all these ones on here. There's so many different products that you can go ahead and get access to in here. Now another thing what I absolutely love about this product here, and the reason why I use this for a lot of my bonuses, these courses here, these are all still in the marketplace that you can go ahead and buy. So we'll look at Agency Suite Pro. Let's go and get this. So this is no. So come down here, let me just show you this. See here, this product here is currently on the market still for $97. And for whatever reason, I can't pause that. So let me get rid of that. So that product there, Agency Suite, is still on the market. It will cost you $97 to go ahead and get that. But with this here, you can actually go ahead and get access to this. You can get access to the course for free yourself, but you can also use this as a bonus to give away to basically entice people to buy through your affiliate products. Let's have a look at another one on here, the Lost Code. Let's go and look at this one here, the Lost Code. So again, you get access to the code. You get access to the course. Come down here. How much is this one on? So this one here, this is on the market today. If people was to go ahead and purchase this, it would cost them $12.95. The last one was going to cost $97. So that's just 2 products on here of the 80 different products that you can go ahead and give away. Okay, so this is where I come. This is where I purchase all of my bonuses. This is where I just basically get all of my links for my bonuses to use in any promotion that I'm going to go ahead and give away. So you can go ahead and get this yourself if you want to get access to all these bonuses and all of these courses. It will cost you today. This is the sales page. If I come down here, so you can see you get access to, so you get nearly 4 grand's worth of bonuses. And as you've just seen, these are all full courses. You can get access to all this for, I think it's like less than $20. It's insane. Click on here. Click here to get instant access. How much is this? This costs $16.95. So you can go ahead and get access to absolutely everything that I have just shown you in here. All of these bonuses that you can go ahead, you can give these away. You can use these in your affiliate campaigns. And then you can also go ahead and get access to all of these courses yourself. So you can literally, where it says giveaway link, click on there, go and create an account yourself, and then you can go through and get access to all of these courses. It is incredible. I absolutely love this. As you saw, I've purchased this product myself and it just works really well. And you can see here we did 2 test promotions without and with using bonuses. The one on the left hand side is where they're promoting a product without affiliate bonuses. You can see how much they earn. And then on the right hand side with bonuses, you can see how much they earn here. So they went from $23 promoting a product without bonuses to $767. And it just makes sense, doesn't it? Because if somebody's purchasing a product like for $10, so you're going to promote a course for $10, and then you say, by the way, if you go ahead and you pick this up today with me, I will go ahead and give you access to the Lost Code. I will give you access to the, what was the other one we looked at? Agency Suites Pro. This one here, go ahead and have a look at this now. You can only buy this. This costs $100 today, but if you buy this $10 product via my link below, then you'll get access to this $100 course here. You'll get access to you'll get access to this course here, etc., etc. It's just an awesome way to go ahead and increase your affiliate earnings. So there's a link to this down below if you want to go ahead and pick up Profit Maximizers. I highly recommend it. I genuinely do, just for the sheer amount of content that you get in there. But if you don't have $17, then you can simply start at the beginning with this free PLR downloads. It's either way. If you're including bonuses, you're going to increase your earnings. So that's it for today's video.